Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a 3D timber teapoy design in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Drawing units, and enter. Length type decimal, precision 0, insertion scale set millimeters. Okay, now go with control, set top view, rectangle, enter. First corner point, dimension D, enter. 650, enter. 400, enter. Click here, Z, enter. A, enter. Zoom all, move M, enter. Select object. Okay, now go rectangle, enter. First corner point, dimension D, enter. 60, enter. 40, enter. Click here, move M, enter. Select object. Base point 50 mm offset. Now go view control, select stabilize isometric, line L, enter. First point, length 425, 100, enter. Rectangle, enter. First corner point, dimension D, enter. 40, enter. 30, enter. Click here, move M, enter. Select object, base point. Click here, okay. Go mirror M, enter. Select object, select mirror line. Click here, enter. Okay, delete this line, delete. Go line L, enter. First point, next point, repeat line, first point, next point. Okay, go loft, select object, select, enter, enter. Okay, now go lengthen, select delta, length 200, enter. Select, enter, enter. Okay, now go view control, select front coordinates, click here, select view, line L, enter. Extend EX, select line, enter. Okay, exit, trim, select line. Okay, now go view control, select stabilize isometric, delete this line. Now go coordinate, select world coordinate, rectangle, enter. First corner point, other corner point. Okay, delete these lines. Loft, select object, select, enter, enter. Okay, mirror M, enter. Select object, mirror line, enter. Repeat mirror, select object, mirror line. Okay, enter. Now go coordinates, click here, select face, select here, accept, line L, enter. First point 20 mm, enter. Auto on 50 mm, enter. Okay, click here, okay, exit, joint J, enter. Select object, enter. Okay, now go view control, select SC isometric, coordinates, click here, select face, okay, accept, line L, enter, first point, dimension 20 millimeter, enter, 50 millimeter, enter, okay, click here, okay. Now go joint J, enter, select object, okay. Now go world coordinate, mirror MI, enter, select object, enter, mirror line, enter, repeat mirror, select object, mirror line, okay, enter, go loft, select, enter, repeat loft, select, enter, mirror MI, enter, select object, mirror line, enter, repeat mirror, select object, mirror line, click, enter, okay, go visual style control, shade it, okay, it's okay, view control, select top, visual style control, select 2D wireframe, okay. Now go coordinate, click here, select view, okay, select rectangle, convert to arc, auto on 200, enter, okay, view control, select stabilize isometric, copy, CO, enter, select object, enter, base point, click here, okay, line L, enter, offset 50 millimeter, stretch, okay, delete, okay, again go coordinates, click here, select base, accept, go polyline, 3D polyline, first point, next point, 30 millimeter, enter, click here, okay, exit. Now go coordinate, select world coordinate, mirror MI, enter, select object, mirror line, okay, enter, again go loft, select, enter, okay, move M, enter, select object, base point, select midpoint and click here, okay. Now go modeling, click here, extrude, select object, enter, extrude height 20 millimeter, enter, okay, let's see, go visual style control, shade it, okay, 2D wireframe. Now go solid, click here, fillet edge, radius 3 millimeter, enter, select edge, enter, repeat fillet edge, radius 3 millimeter, select edge, enter, okay. Now go view control, select SC isometric, visual style control, shaded with edges. Okay, now go home, go coordinates, click here, select back, go size, select object, enter, click here, click here, click here. Okay, it's okay. Okay, again go coordinates, select third coordinate. Okay, let's see. Okay, view control, select SW isometric, go visual style control, select 2D wireframe, view control, select top. Okay, select world coordinate. Okay, so mount plane surface. Okay, view control, select SW isometric, more and enter, select plane, auto on, down 425, enter. Okay, visual style control, shaded, it's okay. View control, select SW isometric. Okay, now go material browser, AutoCAD library, select wood, select mahogany natural polished, drag and drop. Okay, AutoCAD library, select flooring, select red oak natural, drag and drop. Okay, red oak, edit, click here, sample size 450, enter. Okay, close, stain tick, select semi-gloss varnish, flooring. Okay, click here, click here, click here. Okay, okay, close, go mahogany, edit, click here, sample size 200, enter. Rotation 90, enter. Close, finish, semi-gloss varnish, furniture. Okay, close. Now select plane, assign to selection, select plane, isolate object, hide object. Okay, now go union, select all objects, enter. Okay, unisolate object, end object isolation, select Teapoy, mahogany natural, assign to selection, visual style control, realistic. Okay, right click, perspective select, exit from material browser. Okay, let's see. Now go visualize, go render, render environment, turn on environment, use custom background tick, background click, type solid, click color, okay, rotation 60, enter, close, render size full HD TV, zoom is at enter, zoom window, okay, and render. Let's see. Okay, it's okay. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.